Remember here we are just looking at the same thing, looking at the change in y over x. So we have, looking at 12 over 1, which is here, 24 over 2, 36 over 3, and 48 over 4 all give you a value of k as 12. So your equation is y equals 12x. And then the question, they want to predict the plant's height in centimeters when it's 8 weeks old. So this would be an 8 here. Y is 12 times 8, y is 96 centimeters. The second one shows the relationship between the number of cups and the number of gallons. It's looking at the C to G relationship, same thing, y over x. You get y equals 16x. And this time they're asking for how many gallons. So they're looking for the G. Will 128 cups make? So we are going to put the 128 in for the y. 128 equals 16x. It's right here. Divide both sides by 16, and 8 equals x. Last question. The following table represents the equation m equals 3a. Let's go ahead and fill in the values. 3 times 5 is 15. And then here you're going to actually divide. So 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 gives you the 24, and 10 times 3 is 30. Number 18 is interesting. Hillary H is 15 years older than Gavin G. Write an equation to represent the situation. Then complete the table. So H, Hillary, is his equals, 15 years older, plus 15. Okay, this is not a direct variation, or there's no constant of proportionality here. But there's the table. You're just going to add 15 and subtract 15. Here's the relationship between the pounds of dough prepared and the number of hours worked. So again, looking at 27 divided by 9, 30 divided by 10, 33 divided by 11, you're going to get a constant of proportionality of 3. So your equation is y equals 3x. And then it's asking you to, if you had 24 hours, how many pounds of dough would you prepare? Your equation's over here. Y equals 3 times 24. You would get 72 pounds of dough. I probably should be writing these out in complete sentences, given it's a word problem. The last question, I kind of broke this down 2 different ways. So here's the minutes Vanessa spends walking and the number of laps around the track. So I looked at 18 divided by 3, this is all on the left side, is 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So you get a constant of proportionality as 6. And also over here, I did it a little bit of a different way. Some of you have noticed the change in the y values. You notice this is, here this is 18 to 30 is plus 12. 30 to 36 though is plus 6. And 36 to 48 now we have is plus 12. It's not constant, but if you go over to this side, 3 to 5 is plus 2, 5 to 6 is plus 1, 6 to 8 is plus 2. This way here, you've got this constant of 12 divided by 2 is 6. Here you have 6 divided by 1 is 6, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. This way looks at rate of change in y values divided by the change in x values. We will be getting to this a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you, for those who are noticing patterns, on the left side from here, and then patterns on the right side, the right side and the left side. The question they ask, if she keeps walking at this rate, how many laps will she have completed after 72 minutes? That's where the 72 is over here. 72 equals 6x divided by 6. You're going to get your answer of 12.